Hey guys, the TikTok bio link, the digital version of a front door. It's where you lead people to your shop, YouTube affiliate links, portfolio, or whatever magic you're cooking up. But TikTok doesn't make it obvious how to do it, especially if your account isn't set up right. Let's break it all the way down. Beginner to advanced, no fluff. Step 1, make sure you're eligible. Right? TikTok only allows clickable links in bio.
Who was interested?
Excuse me. If you have a business account or you have 10,000 plus followers on a personal account. If you're under that follower threshold, don't worry. You can still switch to a business account and unlock the bio link instantly. All right. Step 2, switch to business account if needed. Right. Open TikTok, go to your profile at the bottom right, and then hit the 3-line or menu. Press settings and privacy. Right? Tap account, and then switch to a business account in your case. Alright? Choose a category, pick what fits, like personal blog, education, or e-commerce. Boom! You got access to add website link in your bio. But just a heads up, business accounts can use some trending sounds, copywriting, but for affiliate or brand stuff, it's worth it. Step 3, add your link. Now the fun part begins. Go to your profile tab. Tap edit profile. Right, where is it? Yeah, edit right here next to your name. And then, excuse me, just opened something by mistake. Let me go back. Yeah, and then what you can do, you can find the links or website field, only visible on business accounts or 10K plus personal account. Right? Paste your link there. It could be your online store, Linktree, Beacons page if you have multiple links, personal YouTube channel, portfolio, site. All right, and then hit save. Once you add your link will now appear right under your bio, clickable and clean. Step 4, which is optional, you can use a link hub. If you're promoting multiple things like affiliate links or your services, use a link in bio tools like Linktree. Right? Or beacons.ai or Koji or tap.bio. They give you a sleek mini web page where you can list TikTok shop, product, YouTube channel, Fiverr gig, Instagram or Twitter links. Then you just drop that single hub link in your TikTok bio. Neat and professional, right? Just a pro tip, shorten your URL with bit.ly or rebrandly if it looks messy. Add a line in your bio to guide people, like check the link below for my favorite gear or check to see my portfolio, whatever. If you're running affiliate stuff, make sure your link is properly formatted with your tracking code. So if you don't see the website option, make sure your account is business. Using TikTok on desktop, you can't add links there. Use the mobile app. Want to track clicks? Use Linktree or Google Analytics UTM codes. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.